Hello everyone. Today on Electric Vehicle Mile, our brand new series by DIY Guru, we will share some battery insights. Today we will be discussing on the lifetime of electric vehicle batteries. The lifetime of electric vehicle batteries shall be understood with these four aspects. Lithium-ion batteries are generally used in the electric vehicle because of the performance and safety aspects. It is the extended version of the lithium-ion batteries through which electric vehicles get energy. The battery used in the electric vehicle is not comprised of single cell. In fact, it is comprised of thousands of cells together as a battery pack, which works together. When the battery is getting charged, the electric provided to the battery pack does some chemical changes to the battery. And when the vehicle is in use, that is running, the battery pack provides electricity to the electric vehicle. The battery pack has certain capacity to hold up the charge provided through the electricity, but with time the capacity of holding the charge gets reduced and thus the efficiency of the battery pack is compromised gradually with time. This results in the mileage reduction of the electric vehicle. It has been observed that owners of the electric vehicle might need to change the batteries after 10 to 20 years. Manufacturers generally give warranty on electric vehicle batteries for around 5 to 8 years. So, wrapping it up here, it's a pleasure to have an esteemed audience like you all. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.